Hey guys, my name is Eddie and this is The Misfits.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands.
So for you guys who haven't seen our videos, we're gonna go ahead and start doing a new video where we start cooking food. Now the reason that I want to do this video is because one day I was at work and I was talking to this one lady, a co-worker. We were talking about Mexican food. I was like, oh my god, I'm so hungry, I'm craving this and that. The lady's all like, what is that? And I'm like, you don't know what this is? I don't remember what type of food I said, but I'm like, you don't know what that is? She's like, no. I'm like, well, what food do you know? She's like, I thought Mexicans only ate tacos and burritos. I was like, are you fucking kidding me? I'm like, that's all you think we eat, tacos and burritos? We have more than just that, you know? Like, I was like, there's so many good ass food. Mexican food is one of like the top culinary most delicious foods there is in the world. How can you think that we only eat burritos and tacos? That inspired for this video to be made. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make one of the easiest but so delicious. It's actually one of my favorite foods. It's called tacos dorados and it's so simple and easy to make. Literally all you need is 5 to 6 ingredients. That's all you need and it's super easy to make, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. Anybody who doesn't really like to cook a lot or wants something easy and good, this is perfect for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do it. All right guys, so these are the ingredients that you're gonna need. It's super easy. All you need is tortillas. We prefer the El Milagro ones. Another thing we need is cream for the tacos. Now this is chicken. Usually you could get this at Walmart. This is literally what costs you $5, and it's not like that. It's not shredded. It actually comes to full chicken, like everything, and then you just have to actually shred it in pieces. So it will take you about 10 minutes 15 minutes just shredding this. So shred the chicken so that you can make the tacos with, and it's a lot, as you guys can see. Like I'm saying, my parents used to buy one of these and it would last us for 2 days, and it would serve for 7 people. So, and we used to eat a lot, so trust me, it will last you a while. Then you're gonna need lettuce. Last but not least, you're gonna need fresh cheese. Now we do need to make salsa, but for this occasion we actually don't have a blender. Our blender broke, so we're not gonna use a blender. What we're gonna do is actually we bought one already made, like a regular salsa that you could buy at the store, but we will teach you in another video how to make salsa, and really spicy and delicious salsa. Okay, so these are the ingredients. Now let's start cooking. So you're gonna put the oil like that, and you're just gonna let it sit for about a minute or two, just for it to boil. Like I said, you basically, once you have already shredded the lettuce, the chicken, and the cheese, everything should be really easy. Go ahead and put the taco right there, and just, you saw how I put the bottom part at this tip right here. The bottom part first. Yeah, so put the bottom part first. Oh.
Lower it.
Alright, so yeah, sorry guys, this is Jesse being dumb. The reason that you put that bottom first is so that it could right away stick. Yeah, it doesn't open and doesn't release all the chicken. So you're just gonna leave it like that. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. Well, not even a couple of minutes, just like 1 minute literally. And then you could just turn it around and it's gonna be crunchy. Some people actually, what they do is they put the little they usually put the
kimchi.
A little toothpick so that it doesn't open. You could just go like that. So as you guys see, it's already like that. And then basically you're just gonna keep doing the same thing for the rest of the tacos. It's pretty simple. These are gonna be really crunchy and really delicious. Trust me guys, once you try them, you guys are gonna love these.
Oh yeah, no. No, delete this please.
Alright, so that's how you make your tacos, really crunchy. We'll show you the rest. I'm gonna make more.
You could leave it more in the oil if you want it more crunchy, but I like it crunchy but also soft.
Yeah, it's actually pretty crunchy. You see? It's crunchy, but it's not super hard. It's just perfect. Trust me, guys. Really.
Same.
Anyways, so that's
work breaking.
So that's how you make the taco. I'm gonna go ahead and do more, and then I'll show you guys once it's prepared how to do it. Like I said, super easy, right? How long did it take? 2 minutes, 1 minute, and then that's it. Once you're done with this, you just put the rest on the top, and that's it. But we'll show you that at the end, okay? So the tacos are done. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a lot of oil left on it. a good recommendation that my parents used to do is just grab a napkin and like clean it and just like, you know, pat on it so that all the grease could stay on the napkin. One more thing I forgot to mention before I did the tacos. If you want to have the tacos really rolled up and nice, there's a good way to do that. Like I was saying earlier, you get the toothpicks and you put them on the taco so that it could hold and it doesn't unfold. Another thing that you could do that it actually works a lot, my parents used to do that, is when you grab the tortilla and you open it, usually it's stiff, so it will unfold right away when you roll the tacos. So one thing that you could do is put the tortillas before wrapping them with the chicken, and put the tortillas for about a minute. Put it for 1 minute. Once they're nice and warm, grab the tortillas and then put the chicken inside and then wrap them, because the tortilla will actually be more lighter, and like that it won't actually unfold when you put the tortilla, the whole taco on the pan. So the first thing you're gonna put is the cream. Put it with cream on the top. Then you're gonna go ahead and put either the cheese or the salsa, whichever you want to do first. I always put the salsa like second, because you want the salsa to be covering the taco, you know, so that it could give it taste. Because if you put it all the way at the top, sometimes it won't give it that good flavor because it won't cover the whole taco. That's just my opinion. But first what I do, and I'll just show you at the end how it looks. So first is the cream, then is the salsa, then I put the cheese and then the lettuce at the top, or the lettuce and then the cheese at the top, whichever you want. And this was 2 packs of tortillas, which basically is 24 tacos. And as you guys can see, I still have a little bit left in here. But this is perfect for anyone who just wants to have a quick meal. And it's super delicious, guys. I promise you, you will love it. This is how the tacos should look like at the end. Like I said, I put first cream, then my sauce, then the cheese, and then the lettuce. Again, we didn't have onions because we were running late. We were rushing.
Tomatoes. Some people add tomatoes.
Oh yeah, some people add tomatoes, but we didn't put tomatoes. But anyways, we're missing the onions. That's basically all. But again, you guys could put it on top as well. They're even better like that. Salsa, again, we didn't make it because, like I said, we don't have right now a blender. But next time we'll show you how to make it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like, and subscribe and share. He's already eating them. How are they? They're good? So yeah guys. So cheers until next time. Hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below anything you guys want us to make. You're hungry, right? Alright then guys. We'll see you next time. Bye. Oh my god, it's so good.